Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. We got a little install today. I'm going to go put some new LEDs in my headlights and my fog lights. And I didn't make a video of this, but here's my new lug nuts. If you follow me on Instagram, and you should follow me on Instagram, but y'all would have saw the picture I posted of it, and I think they look pretty dang good on there. So let's get into this, and I'll show y'all what I have to install. Alright guys, let's get into this install. And these are the LEDs I'm going to put in there. They're from auxbeam. Thank you. I want to say thank you to auxbeam for sending me these. They are the T1 series, the temperature controlled ones, and they are going to go into my H1 projectors and my fog lights. And let's see the difference between them. These are HID, they're S15 Bright, that's the brand. Never really heard of them, but whenever I got these headlights built, it came with them. And then these are LEDs, but they're not really expensive LEDs. They're from eBay or Amazon, one of the two, I can't really remember. I mean, they done me good so far, but I want something brighter. So thank you to auxbeam. And let me turn on these lights and let you see them. Alright, there's the HID. It's somewhat bright. There's the LED. Okay, I got one side off, just the driver's side, and it was pretty simple. All you do on the fog light, you go in here and you unplug your factory harness away from it, and then you just twist it out. And then up here, you got these two little pins right here. That one goes right here, and then one goes right here. Pull that out, and then you have this metal thing that's locked in, and then whenever you get it out, you gotta pull it up a little bit and then pull it out, and then you gotta unplug all the HID. Figure some of y'all know how to do HIDs. Well, here's all the HIDs. There's the ballast that plugs up to the factory harness. There's I think another little ballast on these HIDs. I'm not real for sure. And then there's the bulb. Y'all probably are wondering how in the heck is that thing working, because the glass around it busted off. I don't know, but it still worked. Bright too. But there's the HID. Here's my LED I had in my truck. Look how big that is. The big old. And then there's the LED in a little glass bubble. And then I'm gonna get the new LEDs out and put them right beside it and let y'all see the difference. Here's the new LEDs. Here's the new LEDs I'm putting in my truck. The fan on this is so much littler. I like that because that makes for more clearance. And it has 3 LEDs on this side, 3 LEDs on this side. If you can see that. Let's see if I can get that. There it is. and then 3 on that side. And this one had 4 LEDs on this side and 4 on this side. So we'll see. This one had 2 more LEDs more than this one, and we'll see which ones are brighter. And then here's H1 LED. Same thing, 6 LEDs all around. But there's the difference. Look at the size difference. And then here's the HID and the LED. Look at all that wiring. Look at all the wiring compared to LED and HID. You can have more room under your hood for a lot more stuff, like more lights and more wires and all kinds of stuff. More activity room. But let's get these LEDs in. Since I have custom headlights built for this, and putting H1 LED bulbs in, you had to have these things right here for H1 that plugs up to the factory harness. I'm not real for sure where these came from, but if I can find a link where you can get them, I will put it in the description. So if any of y'all have my body style truck, or well, any body style truck that has H1s in it with custom built headlights that don't fit the regular harness, I will put the link in the description so y'all can find it and put LEDs in your headlights too. I mean, the company where you buy your LEDs might send you, might have the spot ran into an issue, so I won't be able to install on my headlights because the hole on my H1 spot, that's the spot for it. Then if you try to put this in, that's way too big. It won't fit. So don't look like I'll be installing those today. I'm gonna have to contact them and see what's going on. Well, since I can't install them on my headlights, I guess I'll just end it here, and I'll see y'all next time. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, like, and comment.